There is a huge imperial green or green imperial, guys.
Variegated.
It's somewhat like variegated, oh. So, tingnan nyo. Look at the variegation. Meron pa palang isang part dito na talagang cacti yung lahat ng nandito. So, ito yung mga cacti, but we can see the largest one. So, that is so far the largest cacti that I have seen. And then, marami silang golden barrels, guys. Kung makikita natin sa mga expo that it is so expensive, how much more if you see it here na palang naka-garden talaga siya. Variegated balanghoy is here. So, nandito tayo, guys, malapit sa pool. Ayun, meron pa silang rules dito. So, variegated balanghoy or variegated cassava. I do not know how you call this. Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video, and for today's vlog, we are here at Marilu Resort. So this is just beside Dumaluan Beach Resort. So this is so unexpected. We are here and we will be checking out the plants that they have in this resort. So I saw this when I was here last 2019, and they really have a lot of nice plants here. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe. Tap the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are ready, let's begin. So this is just straight from the entrance. When you turn right, you are going to enter the Dumaluan Beach, which is usually having cottages, and they have entrance fees as well. But this is the private resort. So they also have the ATM machine. So I think this is the front desk. And this is the resort itself. This is how it says. Welcome to Marilu Beach Resort. There is a big tree, and you will see a lot of snow white aglaonemas below. So they are planted in like parang mga kawa. And then they have lush neon pothos here, the dwarf ones. So they have a lot here. And there is a huge champagne. So ayan, meron sila dito. So all of those people that were with us are over the balcony. So they're there. So, ayan. So, we had to ask for permission to come in. So, nandito tayo ngayon, and I will take you with us. I think mga dion to. So, these are ancient palms. Tama ba? How do you describe dion? Para silang mga dion, and they are so big. They are being placed in such a huge pot. They have 3 here. So, if I'm right, this is the very first time that I'm seeing a huge one. Nakakita lang ako ng ganito sa Altacita, but really not as big as this. And that was 7,000. So let's check more of the plants that they have here. So they have the pandanus being inlined here. And they have a huge bird's nest here at the entrance. So ito yung makikita natin. So nga pala, sorry dun sa may isa kasing foreigner na viewer pala ng natin, ng channel, and medyo nagaano siya kasi hindi na ako masyadong nag-English. I'm so sorry, but I'll make sure naman na you can understand some of the videos that we will be doing. So they have this huge Philodendron millionii. Not really that huge, but the pot is huge, guys. So I think this is a baby Philodendron millionii, or commonly known as Milliona, so you all know about that. And they have crotons of different colors, of different varieties here. So this is what's good when you place them in pots that are of the same colors. So sobrang ganda nila tingnan. So we are now entering here. So the last time that we were here last 2019 for a seminar. And now it's the first time that I'm back after that. Oh, there are a lot of Monstera Perus. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with how Monstera Perus look like. So this is it. So, meron siyang cocoa pole na parang nakalapit yata sa coconut tree. So, it's gonna climb up there. So, these are Heliconias, guys. Variegated Heliconias. They also have the pandanus. They have a lot of pandanus here. So, this is the main garden of this resort. So, sobrang dami. And what I noticed here, they really have a lot of bonsai plants. So, I'm pretty sure they're real. So, yung mga nakalinya dyan, they are real. So, they also have a lot of philodendrons. So, look at that burl marks. So, ayan, it's trailing. And it's so lush. So, ayan guys, as you can see, meron siyang mga konting mga sunburn sa leaves because we all know that philodendrons do not like to be exposed in the sun, especially if they are being too exposed kapag sobrang init na. So, ayan, makikita natin clearly that there are few sunburns and I hope that they will get well soon. So, they also have the huge marble queen. I'm not sure if this is a marble queen pothos, but they have huge cocoa poles here. So they have watermelon peperomias being placed here. So this is a landscape of mostly trailing plants, not just philodendrons, guys. They also have orchids. So there are aerial plants, there are philodendrons. So a lot. So it says hands off. So you really are not allowed to touch anything here, since they are live plants, guys, and they might be damaged once you touch them. So, meron tayong Sansevieria dito. I think this is a Coppertone Sansevieria. And what's pretty here is this variegated alocasia. So, it's being placed somewhere na hindi talaga siya nauulanan. So, that's what I was trying to say, guys. If you place the variegated alocasia somewhere it's not exposed in too much sun and in too much rain, so it's gonna grow like this one. Oh, it's so big. And there is a tiny coconut bonsai beside this burl mark. So, meron na namang burl marks, guys. But this one is being placed here below. Baka na safe to because of the sunburn. Meron pa ding sunburn. And this is under these, anong tawag dito? Bamboo tree. So, we're gonna move on to the other parts of this garden. Sobrang dami ng plants. Etong mga neon na to, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Hindi ko kilala. There is a huge imperial green or green imperial, guys.
Variegated.
It's somewhat like variegated, oh. So, tingnan nyo. Look at the variegation. Hindi naman siya sunburn, diba? Or, it's really not affected by the sun because, ano po dito, walang init na nakakapasok dito malapit kasi merong malaking kahoy. So, this is really a variegated one. Meron ding Humalumina na choco, if I'm right. Is it a choco Humalumina? They also have bromeliads, guys, and the pothos. Yung giant pothos, guys, nagtitrail na up into the roof. So, yun, super ganda ng garden nila. So, this is really what I'm wishing. So, everyone, especially yung mga plant lovers, they would really love to have a garden like this. So, ito yung pinaka main garden, guys. Nung pumunta kami dito, talagang nakakainggit po na tingnan. Tingnan nyo yung mga bougainvilleas. So, bougainvilleas can really endure the heat of the sun. They still bloom, guys. So, as you can see, even if it's summer, and ngayon medyo hindi na palaging umuulan, they are still blooming. And there are a lot of them na makikita natin across the, anong tawag dyan, yung vacant na parking yata ito kasi merong naka-parking dyan. So, ayun, dun makikita natin sa medyo mainit na part just below the building na parang 4 floors yata. So, ayun. So, ayan guys, I'll take you with me ha. Pupunta pa tayo, papasok tayo. Kasi paminsan-minsan lang tayo makakapasok dito eh. Today kasi may pinuntahan kami and we're just so lucky na they allow us to get in and to show you the plants that they have here. So, ito mga foxtail, guys. So, if you have foxtail, I know you can relate that they are quite sensitive. So, they really have to be propagated with extra care kasi po talaga kapag hindi na malaya na hindi tayo naging extra careful, they might die. Kasi nangyari na yon ilang beses sa amin. So, they have a lot of crotons here. This is such an amazing garden, guys. And you can see a lot of adeniums. So, I'll just take you with me. Ha? So, from there, we were there kanina, guys. So, I'll just take you with me. So, meron kasi silang mga villas dito. So, these are the villas that you can see here. So, yan yung mga maliliit na villas. Dati kasi, nagstay kami doon. Over there. Doon kami nagstay. May swimming pool kasi na madadaanan doon. And this is a ficus. I just do not know what type of ficus is this. If you happen to know, please do comment that down below. This is, ano ba to? Benjamina? Ficus nana? Basta this is variegated. Please do comment that down below. And medyo pa bonsai yung itsura niya, guys. And it has been trimmed kaya super ganda niya. Makakakita din tayo ng, hindi ko alam kung ano tong yellow na to eh. It's another Dion, right? So, is it really a Dion for you? What do you think is that?
Parang Dion.
So, parang Dion nga siya. Pero hindi din ako sure, guys. Hindi din ako sure. It's a family of cycads. I'm so sorry. I stand corrected dun sa sinabi ko kaninang palm siya. Cycad yata. belongs to the cycad family. And merong maraming adeniums din dito, guys. So, ang nakaganda dito sa garden na to is that naka-arrange ng mabuti yung plants nila. Adeniums, crotons, yung mga bougainvilleas. That's what is really amazing about this. So, makikita nyo, meron ding champagne, merong pine tree. So, guys, nandito tayo. This is the main garden yata na makikita natin. It's really a private resort, guys. We are so lucky that we are being allowed to get in. And I will show you a huge staghorn fern, if I'm right. Is it staghorn fern in English? But it's really a huge capa de leon. I do hope that you can see it right from here. So talagang sobrang amazing talaga. Pag-garden talaga ng resort. So ito tayo, guys. Marami silang mga villas. Meron din silang traveler's palm. So as you can see, most of what's here are dumcanes. So and sobrang daming dumcanes, guys. Meron ding dwarf na palm. So yung mga dumcane na makikita natin, usually we call this bombastic. But I will show you the one that meron sa amin na maliit. This is something that's what I was calling dolphin na binigay sa akin na medyo lumaki-laki na ngayon. So, ayan yung mga pothos nila, guys, nakalagay po sa banga. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. So, this place is such a relaxing part of the garden, guys. So, kapag nandun ka, bababa ka lang dito, uupo-upo, makikita mo, marerelax ka when you look at the plants. And the variegated balanghoy is here. So, nandito tayo, guys, malapit sa pool. So, last time, my room was there. Doon, makikita nyo doon. My room was there. So, ito yung pool, guys. And makikita natin na marami. Nandito yung variegated balanghoy. So, ayun, meron pa silang rules dito. So, variegated balanghoy or variegated cassava. I do not know how you call this. So, medyo maingay ang pool kasi nandito na tayo malapit sa pool area. So, over there, dagat na. So, dito yung pool, guys. Dito sa area na to, makikita natin yung pool. And we're just so lucky na nakapag-tour tayo dito ngayon sa garden. So, marami akong nakikitang bonsals doon. Dito yung mga pothos na nakalagay po sa jar. And look how amazing the kalanchoy is. So, ay nakalagay din po sila sa parang kawa. So, ayan, merong bonsai. This is a ficus. If I'm right, this is a ficus nana. But if mali ako, please do correct me if I'm wrong. So, eto sila, merong mga nakalinyang mga ficus dito. Parang around 5 yata. So, nandito tayo sa main garden. So, this is where you enter para pumunta ka sa mga villas na malapit sa pool. I'm pretty sure that it's very much expensive kapag dun ka na area compared to dito na medyo malayo-layo. So, dito guys, sa area na to, may malaking dion. Apart from those adeniums that we can see there. So, from here up to that, parang ilang rows yata ng mga R-O-W. Parang ilang rows yata ng adeniums yung nandito from the smallest to the biggest. So, ayan, they also have a lot of bonsai, guys. So, ayan, ito yung mga bonsai. They have rubber trees being planted. So, this is a rubber tiniki. May nakita ako kanina doon malapit sa entrance. Nakakita ako ng black prince. So, this is a rubber tiniki, guys. They are being planted here. And that dion is such a huge one. Sobrang mahal and sobrang laki ng gastos ng mga ganito, guys. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi biro po yung presyo ng plants ngayon. Especially if ganito na yung itsura na parang fully furnished na kung sa bahay pa. So, ayan, so amazing. My God. Ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. Actually, nagpunta ako dito last time, nung 2019. Hindi ako gaanong nagtitingin-tingin sa plants. Pero ngayon na talagang nahilig na ako sa plants. This is the very first time that I'm here. And nasabi ko talaga, grabe talaga. Kapag nakikita niyo yung mga cacti, guys, my goodness. 'Di ba? No one would ever dare to do that at home. I do not know if sa inyo meron kayong ganito, ha. But talagang naa-amaze ako how they arrange the plants here in this garden. Yung ikinaganda ng mga plants na nakapat, guys, you can rearrange them according to how you would want them to be. So, kapag gusto mo namang magbago na naman ang itsura ng garden mo, so pwede mo silang mailipat. Although you need some help kasi malalaki po yung mga pot na nandito. But eventually talaga, hindi ka na mahihirapan. You don't need to uproot. You just have to transfer the pot that they are in. So, ayun guys, kung makikita natin yung mga nandun, mga villas na. So, ito talaga, dito sa area na to, dito sa gitna, yung pinaka main garden nila. So, sobra parang na-amaze ako na parang feeling ko ang swerte-swerte ko na nabigyan kami ng chance to get in here. And sobrang ganda, guys. As in, sobrang ganda. So, makikita natin ang gaganda po ng mga bougainvilleas. So, they really have a lot of blooming bougainvilleas here. So, ayan, madami. And, good thing nakalagay sila sa pot, guys. Kasi yung, pag nilagay mo talaga sa isang pot yung plant, makokontrol mo yung paglaki nila. So, they will really not, parang, kung sa animal yun, parang wild yung pag-grow because they are into a pot and matatransfer sila if you wish to rearrange your garden according to the theme that you would love in the future just in case may mga pagbabago kang gagawin. Super ganda, super ganda. So makikita natin doon na yung dagat and medyo ano ngayon, medyo hindi maingay dito, wala masyadong tao. So ayun, maririnig nyo ako ng mabuti yata. Because hindi siya ganun ka-crowded today. And I'm just so lucky. So, ayun guys, papalibot na tayo. Sobrang init. So, it doesn't matter. Kahit sobrang init, nakikita ko yung buong ganda niya. 'Di ba? So, merong mga sasakyan na nandito. And, ayun. Yung mga villas. So, ayun guys, this is what I'm talking about. We have seen the rubber tiniki on that area. There, nakakita tayo ng rubber tiniki. But this are the black prints, guys. So, ito yung mga black prints. Makikita natin, nandito sila. So, they are being potted pa. Yung itsura ng pot, parang galing yata to ng Plant Bro. Yung itsura ng pot lang kasi ganito po yung ng Plant Bro Bohol. So, ganito yung itsura ng mga pot nila. I do not know kung marami bang gumagamit ng ganitong pot na nagbebenta ng ganyan. Basta sa tingin ko lang, guys. So, this is really such a nice garden. Talagang super na-appreciate mo. And good thing that they have potted. Meron din akong nakitang ano doon, burgundy ba yun? Na rubber tree.
Ito tama, parto eh.
Grabe, talagang na-amaze ako, guys. Talagang, my God, I really love to share it with you kasi hindi po tayo palaging nakakapasok sa mga ganito ka-grand na garden. So, ayun guys, tingnan nyo siya. Parang na-amaze din siya. So, ayun, lalapit tayo dun sa mga adeniums, mga bonsai. So, makikita nyo talaga that they have been arranged well. Diba? I don't know if it's really according to size yung pinagbabasihan, but it's really rows of adeniums. I do not know, guys, kung ano ba to, kung magkaiba. Medyo magkaiba sila, diba? These are not the same adeniums, guys. Magkaiba sila po, magkaiba ng kulay, diba? Oh. So, I think hindi lang sila yung basta-basta na mga Bangkok na kalachuchi. Ganun, merong mga bromeliads. Sobrang init, but it does not matter. So, ito yung malalaking mga bonsais being potted in white pots. So, dito ako na-amaze. Ito yung napakita ko kanina na maraming mga golden barrel. Nag-aanak-anak pala sila. So, ayan, tsaka maraming cacti, guys. So, ayan, kayang-kaya nila yung init ng araw. So, ito yung sobrang gandang mga blooming na bougainvilleas. So, I'm just really happy that I took you here with us. So, ayan, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And I hope that you will subscribe to Plantzilla. This has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. And thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. See you on the part 2.